Accidentally deleted an important email in Gmail. Don't panic. In many cases, deleted emails can still be recovered, especially if they were recently removed. Yeah, whether the email is in the trash folder or seems to have disappeared completely, this guide will show you the best ways to recover deleted Gmail emails in 2026. First, open Gmail and click the trash folder from the left sidebar. Gmail keeps deleted emails in the trash for up to 30 days before they're permanently removed. If you find your email there, simply select it. Once you've found the email, click the Move to button and choose Inbox, or select another folder where you'd like to keep it. Your email will immediately be restored. If you don't see the email in the trash, use Gmail's search bar. Search by the sender's name, subject, keywords, or date. Yeah, sometimes emails are archived or labeled instead of being deleted. Next, check the spam, archive, promotions, social, and other Gmail labels. An email might have been automatically filtered instead of deleted. If the email was permanently deleted or removed accidentally, you may be able to use Google's Gmail message recovery tool. This option is mainly intended for emails lost because of technical issues or unauthorized account access, so it may not work in every situation. To avoid losing important emails in the future, consider starring important messages, creating labels, enabling backups with Google Takeout, or using filters to organize your inbox automatically. And that's how to recover deleted Gmail emails in 2026. Whether your email is still in the trash, hidden under another label, or eligible for Google's recovery process, these methods give you the best chance of getting it back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.